Hello, welcome back to Learn Oikonomia. Let's see 15 expected questions for UGC NET. Let's get started. Which of the following is or are causes of slow growth of private enterprises in India's industrialization from 1815 to 1957? This is a question and you are given four options. The first option is unimaginative private enterprise, short-sighted Indian industrialists, etc. And then you have complete access of financial institutions to help transfer savings to industrial investment as a second option. Then a third option is banking was not highly developed and was more concentrated in the hands of in the hands of what industrialists, and also it was something to deal with commerce rather than industry. The next option is all of this. You have to find the right answer for this cause of slow growth of private enterprise in India's industrialization. So if you look back, you could see that there have been many causes which led to the slow pace of growth of India's private enterprises, like the British rule, lack of social mobility, shortage of capital, agrarian system, declining the handicraft sector of India's economy, lack of infrastructure facilities, shortage of skilled labor, all these factors. Apart from these, there have been many other factors as well which lead to the slow growth pace or slow growth of private enterprises in India's industrialization. Here the right answer is option D, all of these. All the things which are described in the question, like the unimaginative private enterprise, short-sighted Indian industrialists, absence of financial institution to transfer saving to the saving to investment, then underdeveloped banking. All these led to the failure of private enterprises with respect to India's industrialization. Right answer is option D, all of these. Next question, which is the most important company in mission tools? HMD mission tools, PMT mission tools, Gundi mission tools, and Praga tools. The right answer is option A, which is HMD mission tools. This is actually something which was founded in 1953, which offered an array of high technology tool machine. And this offers solution to cater every manufacturing requirement as well. Coming to the PMD mission tools, you could see that this is the largest mission tool manufacturing company in India, and Praga Tools Limited is something which was established in 1943 in order to manufacture mission tools with its headquarters at Secunderabad. Okay. With that, we move on to the next question. The largest source of revenue for Britishers in India was from which sector? Textile and jute industry, gems and stone industry, temple tax, land revenue. Right answer is land revenue. It is not from temple tax. It is not from gems and jewelry. It is not from textile and jute industry that the Britishers received the largest source of tax from India. It was from land revenue, where you have different types of land revenue system, like semi-indari system, right valley system, Mahalwari system, etc., operating at different parts of the country. It was a source of land revenue collection, which was established by Britishers. And You might be knowing that different types of land revenue or land revenue settlement or land revenue collection was there in different parts of the country. You have to be very clear about which type of land settlement system or land revenue collection operated in which all parts of the country. So this is very much important. So here the right answer is option B, land revenue. Next question, when was the first modern paper mill of the country set up? So you have to see where was the modern paper mill set up in the country. You are given certain options. 1927, 1827, 1812, 1846, and 1854. The right answer is option B. The paper and paperboard is actually a forest-based industry. In 1912, you could see that the first modern paper mill was set up. This was in West Bengal. Serampur, okay, that was the actual place in which it was set up. Next, Durgapur steel plant was set up in assistance of what? USA, UK, France. It is actually France, okay. France, Germany. The right answer is option A, which was set up with, this steel plant was set up with the collaboration of the British Empire. And it happened in 1950s, the late 50s, with 1 million tons of crude steel per annum. This was the initial capacity of the steel plant, okay. Next, which unit of Hindustan Copper Limited is the first copper smelting unit in India? You are given such an option. Uh, the one in Madhya Pradesh, the one in Rajasthan, the one in Jharkhand, the one in Maharashtra. The first option is Malanj Khand Copper Project. Next, you have K3 Copper Complex. Next, you have Indian Copper Complex. Next, you have Tachola Copper Project. The right answer is option A. This is Malanjkhand Copper Project in Madhya Pradesh, which was established in 1982. So this operated through an open pit mine. Okay, coming to the K3 or Ketari Copper Complex, which was established in 1967. It was developed and maintained by Hindustan Copper Limited. And in the case of Indian Copper Complex, which was established in 1930, this process is planned to produce some copper, which had a huge capacity. With respect to Tajola copper project, which was established in late 90s, this too acts as a continuous cast wire road with respect to the copper production. Okay, this policy package for setting up small and medium enterprises, it was announced in August 2005. Next question is GCIL. It is actually an American company. This is for chemical sector. You have to answer the question. This company of chemical sector has been acquired by which group? Is it Reliance or Shriram or Birla or Tata? The right answer is option D, that is Tata Group. Next, Kuwait's biggest mobile telecommunication company is known as Saint, and this was brought by which communication? Was it Bharati Airtel? Was it Reliance? Was it Vodafone or was it Airtel? The right answer is Bharati Airtel. Okay, so actually you could see that this has acquired Saint Telecommunication African assets, and Saint will give the Indian mobile market a leader footprint in 15 African countries. Next, you have to read the statements. You are given 3 different statements. You have to read all these statements and see the codes given below, and you have to answer the question accordingly. The first statement is, in public sector of India there are basic and heavy industries. The second statement is, all industries of public sector are profit oriented. The third statement is, jobs are secured in the industries of public sector. So the options are 1 and 2 are true, 1 and 3 are true, 2 and 3 are true, 1, 2 and 3 are true. Right answer is option B, that is 1 and 3 are true. That means that in public sector there are basic as well as heavy industries with respect to India, and also jobs are secured in industries of public sector. Next, National Renewal Fund was constituted for the purpose of dash, providing pension for retired employees, social security, rural reconstruction, restructuring and modernization of industries. Right answer is option B, that is social security. Actually, this fund was established or it was set up in February 92 with an aim to provide a social safety of the workers, especially with respect to industrial enterprises. So these people will be protected from adverse consequences with respect to certain policies of industries. Next, again you are given certain statements like the first modern steel producing unit was established at Kulti in West Bengal in 1874. Then Bilal Steel Plant was established during the second 5-year plan. Then Rockilla Steel Plant was established with the collaboration of the West Germany. Then Bokaro Steel Plant was established during the third 5-year plan. So you have to read all these statements and see which of these statements are correct. And the right answer is option D. That means all these statements are correct. Okay. In 1874, actually, the Bengal Iron Works, it came into being at Kulti in West Bengal. Then came the Vilay Steel Plant of Chhattisgarh, which was set up by India with the help of USSR in 1955. Then came the Rourkela Steel Plant in Orissa, this was with the German assistance or collaboration that we installed this. Then came the Bokaro in 1972. India could build this plant with the help of Soviet Union. So that's all. Next, we are going to the question regarding Maruti, Tata Motors, etc. So Maruti views Tata Motors as a prominent competitor. Okay, but does not view Volvo as a competitor. Why? This type of competition in the market is known as dash. You have to see that you are given three different companies. Okay, Maruti is there, Tata Motors is there, and Volvo is there. So you have to see which type of market is this. The right answer is product competition, because you are given product competition, production flow competition, cost control competition, and none of these. The right answer is product competition, because this is actually the competition between the companies regarding the same products or similar products. These companies are producing similar products and they are competing on the basis of that. So this is product competition. And next question, consider the following statement regarding the Tata Steel. And the first statement is, it is Asia's first privately owned integrated iron and steel plant. Second statement is, it is the first company outside Japan to get Deming application prize in 2008 for excellence in total quality management. Third statement is, immediately after the enhancement of the Provident Fund law in India, Tata Steel introduced Provident Fund for its employees. Next, it is the first company in the world to get social accountability, 8,000 certification from Social Accountability International from USA. So the right answer is statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, and statement 3 is true. Okay, so option C is the right answer. Next, again you are given certain statements like MMTC Limited is India's largest international trading organization. And then you have Neelanchal Ispat Nigam Limited has been set up by MMTC jointly with the government of Odisha. Actually, both these statements are true. We can see that MMTC stands for Metals and Minerals Trading Corporation of India Limited, and this is one of the two highest earners of the foreign exchange for India, and also this is the largest public sector trading body with respect to India. Coming to Neelanchal Ispat Nigam Limited, this is a company which is promoted by Metals and Minerals Trading Corporation of India, and this is very much these two things are very much related to international trading. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe to this channel. You can be a part of my Telegram channel as well as Telegram group. If you want me to do any of the topics, you can comment that in the comment box. I'll be taking it up and do a session on that as well. So that's all for today. Thank you.